Hello, and welcome to the System Summary and Generate tutorial on how to review your machine and generate your project using the Rockwell Automation Connected Component Accelerator Toolkit. The System Summary allows the designer to review and finalize their system. This is the last tab on the sidebar. The CCAT indicates which products are still set to the default rating and which ones are not. No check by them means that we did make a change to them. If there is a check by them, that means they're still set to default. If you notice that there is still a check mark there, but you should have changed something, you can always go and double click on that section and it'll lead you right back to that page. You can easily edit, fix whatever you need to, and head back to System Summary and Generate. The System Summary allows you to minimize different areas to ease the system review. Note that the CCAT picks a suggested controller, communications options, plugins, and expansion I/O to fit the needs of the selected devices. If you click File, Save As, we can save our project before we generate it. You can choose to save it in the Project Examples folder. This is also the sample folder that is in the Start Screen menu that we first saw in Video 1, or you can save it anywhere else on your computer. Notice how the name is the same as the project name that we entered earlier. No spaces, no underscores. You can choose to save it as this and click Save. After completing the review of your system selections, click on Generate at the bottom right corner. Select the formats you need for your CAD drawings. IEC indicates the horizontal format commonly used in Europe, and NFPA indicates the vertical format commonly used elsewhere. The drawings come in both AutoCAD and ePlan format. Selecting the PDF format allows review of the drawing if you do not have CAD software or CAD viewer installed. This entry allows you to select the location of your project document and where your project folder shall be saved. This is important because later when you go to view your files, you will want to know where they are saved at. Once you're finished clicking the CAD formats that you need and selecting the location where your project files will be located at, you can click Generate. During the project generation, the CCAT is using the list of selected components to produce a project folder which holds the bill of material, the CAD drawing set, the set of quick starts, the logic program, the HMI screen set, the programming variable set, and a project document. This concludes the tutorial for System Summary and Generate. To continue with this project and learn how to review the generated project document, select the next video, Project Document. Thank you for watching the System Summary and Generate tutorial for the Connected Components Accelerator Toolkit.